What's going on, everybody? It's Lee back with another video of trading. Today is Thursday, April the 17th, 2025. Today is the last trading day of the week because the stock market is closed tomorrow, Friday, Good Friday, April 18th, 2025. So typically the stock market is open from Monday to Friday and closed Saturday and Sunday. Monday, Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So I'm going to show y'all how we all did today. As usual, I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. If you seek financial advice or a financial advisor, seek them personally. I'm professional. I'm just here to make people aware, inform others, educate others, and just push a message of the stock market, awareness of the stock market, trading, as well as even more so investing for the long term, for your children, for your retirement, for your money to allow it to grow, and not just let inflation eat away at it by just keeping it in a bank. Prices go up as they have been in the past. Things don't cost what they used to 20 years ago, and I'm pretty sure things won't cost what they are now 20 years in the future. So keeping your money in a savings account is pretty much losing money over time. So with investing, you're not only keeping it in an account, but you're giving it the opportunity to grow and gain more than 0.01 interest or whatever the banks give you now. It might be a little more than that now, but still not much. So this is how my day went. Took about 16 minutes, 16 to 18 minutes, but roughly 16 minutes for the most of it. So my main play today was with NVIDIA. I was looking for NVIDIA to hit $100, strike price of 100. It was a put, so go down to strike 100 or go past 100 and stay down to 100 or under 100 for me to make money. As you can see, this option expired April 17, 2025. That's today. You can see this order was filled. A buy, 93 contracts, 33 cents each. Today at 9:58. And as you can see, I sold it. Same contract. Not much, at 10:14. Pretty much 16 minutes later, I sold it. So for 47. Well, I wanted to sell it at 47, but it stopped me out a penny less at 46. So from 33 cents to 46 cents, I made, that amount. So we're going to go to, shucks. I could have sworn I turned it off. Damn it. So we're going to go to the charts, find NVIDIA. NVDA. NVIDIA is a chip company. Chips for gaming, chips for computers, chips for super smart computers. Different things, different technology that take chips. One of the biggest actually, chip company in the world. So stock market is still open, so the price is still moving, as you can see. The current price is over here at that candle. We're on 2-minute candle chart, so each candle represents 2 minutes before the next candle start, at the beginning of the next 2 minutes, and then once that 2 minutes is over, the next candle starts at another 2 minutes. So Nvidia pretty much took a nosedive today from the beginning, bounced back up just to get rejected off of that VWAP. So when I saw that that bear flag, usually it goes down, pops back up just a little bit, just to come down further. So you can Google a bear flag pattern. You can Google, the best patterns, stock chart patterns, to find different ones. But in this case, you can Google bear flag patterns and you can see how it pops back up just to go down like that. Same thing here. So that's pretty much what you see going on here. So my strike price was $100, which it pretty much hit. I didn't hold it long enough, but that's okay. I wasn't trying to be greedy today. Was trying to finish the week off with a win every day this week, which I did. So I'm happy. So I'm going to zoom in. So once I saw this rejection and, knew that was like a bear flag, I got in on the second red candle. It was a choppy for about 4 minutes, but then it eventually didn't take long to do what I wanted to do. Move my stop loss up so that way I can preserve my profit, $1,200, and it stopped me out right here at that red line, that red vertical line, just to go down to close to $100. So I did one little play on SPY. SPY is an ETF, exchange traded fund, top 500 companies in the stock market. I played a put on SPY. It didn't go quite how I wanted it to. It did come down in the beginning, but then it popped right up on me. Came back down, popped up. So I was pretty much just waiting on it to come down. And as you can see, it did here. Got rejected there. Came down all the way here. And at that red vertical line is where I moved my stop loss up, because I was pretty much negative. And it was a small play. I was negative like 200 and some change. Not much money. Negative 200 and some change. And then once it came to this blue vertical line where I got stopped out, a tight stop loss. I didn't leave much room for it. I made like $70 on top of the 1,200. So wasn't a bad time, because only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more 2-minute candles, so 10 minutes, and it pretty much changed directions and went up pretty much. Choppy there, choppy throughout here, and then up right here, and it sits right there right now. So, but as I always tell you, you don't have to. You can play more than one stock. More than one stock. You can buy more than one stock. You can buy more than one stock option. It doesn't have to be SPY. It could be Apple. It could be Google. It could be Meta. It could be Amazon, whatever. But it's just more for you to keep track of at the same time. So I don't typically try to do too much and play, different stocks at the same time. But when you see an opportunity and you know what you're doing, to some degree, you take it and just manage your risk. And today that paid off. And I always, like I tell you, when you're trading and I'm over here, all these candles, whatever candle you're on, you don't see nothing else to the right. It's just white. You don't know how the stock is going to move for the rest of the day. Same way we're currently right here, but all of that is white because 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock hasn't, come to pass yet. So your decisions are based off of news, based off of market sentiment, the way people feel, investors and traders. Your decisions are based off of, volume, whether people are buying or selling. Your decisions are based off everything to the left side because that's the past. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave the video at that. Appreciate you all for tuning in. And yeah, happy Good Friday tomorrow. Peace and blessings.